Most robot vacuum cleaners are great in a showroom, but at home it's a totally different story because that's the actual setting to test what a robot vacuum can do. You get kitchen stains, crumbs under the table, you get pet hair and human hair in the carpet, and so today I'm putting to the test two robot vacuums side by side. We have the eufy C28 against the Roborock Qrevo S5V. Both have the all-in-one docks, but the real question here is which one is going to give you a better everyday cleaning for the money. So stick around, let's put them to the test and let's get started. Before getting into it, it's worth mentioning that the Omni C28 from eufy, it was a top 20 pick in the Vacuums War in 2026 Best Robot Vacuums ranking, and is built on the foundation of eufy's popular X10 Pro Omni, but this time eufy brings a Hydrojet self-cleaning roller mop into the C-series lineup. Now that matters because the C28 is designed to mop, rinse, scrape, and vacuum, and then it has 15,000 pascals of suction with dual spiral detangle brushes, iPath 2.0 laser navigation, and an all-in-one station. And if you have pets at home, I don't, but if you do, this is it because as eufy calls it, born for pet messes, perfect for every home. And at the same time, Roborock Qrevo S5V is also strong. It has 12,000 pascals of hyperforce suction, dual spinning mops, a 10mm mop lifting, a flexi arm edge mopping, a PreciSense slider navigation, a structure light obstacle avoidance, and a multifunction dock. Now, as far as the first impressions is that the C28 is a slightly smaller unit than the S5V by Roborock. Both of them have the water system on top for the fresh and the dirty water that it collects. Here on top on the Roborock, just plug it in simply into the wall outlet and it starts working right away. Now, as far as the robots, that's where the main difference comes in, because in the C28, it uses a single rolling mop pad that it self-washes as it's mopping, and then here in the Roborock S5V, it uses a dual mop pad that it doesn't self-clean as it's washing. That is going to be not so beneficial, and I'm going to show you in just a little bit. Both of these systems have the all-in-one, which means that it self-cleans itself and it also self-empties itself. Now let's go ahead and get more into details about these two robots. Now as we move on, the Roborock does feel more feature-packed in some smart areas, especially in obstacle avoidance, the mop extension, Apple Watch support, and multi-floor mapping, but the eufy Omni C28 is a little bit more focused on its main function, which is actually cleaning the floor better with less maintenance. Let's start off the battle with the mopping comparison because this one is huge. The eufy Omni C28 uses the Hydrojet self-cleaning roller mop technology, and instead of two pads spinning around, the C28 has a roller mop that is constantly rinsed with fresh water while cleaning. It uses 24 precision water jets, 10 Newton downward pressure, and a scraper that cleans the roller up to 9 times per second. And this matters because with normal kitchen stains, a dirty mop pad can spread the residue around, so the C28 is designed to keep the roller clean during the cleaning, so for real wet messes, the eufy feels more convincing. And of course, not to forget that the Roborock is good at its craft too. It uses the dual spinning mops, which is great for light daily mopping. It also has the 30 water flow levels, the flexi arm edge mopping, giving the significant advantage in edge cleaning. Up next, we got the hair and anti-tangle test, and the hair is where the robot vacuums usually have no answer. The Roborock Qrevo S5V has the SGS certified zero tangle system with the rubberized floating main brush and an arc-shaped side brush, but eufy takes a more aggressive approach with the dual spiral detangle brushes. The system picks up the hair, guides it inwards, and opens when it returns to the station and lets the dock suction and pulls it away. It also uses the dual side brushes, which gives a wider pickup coverage compared to a single brush setup, and in fact the C28 delivers around 1.5 times better edge coverage than the single side brush models like the Roborock S5V. And because it's a rounded square body design, it can get closer to walls and corners, helping reduce those annoying missed spots along the edges. So for pet homes and anyone with long hair, this is a big win for eufy. Moving on to suction and carpet cleaning, because for suction, eufy has the clear number advantage, 15,000 pascals on the C28 versus the 12,000 pascals on the Roborock Qrevo S5V. And suction isn't everything, but on carpets it matters a lot because you have embedded dust, pet hair, cereal crumbs, small debris that needs a real pulling power. And just for your information, every time that the C28 detects carpets, it boosts the suction automatically, so there is less manual mode switching. In the final category, we got the dog and navigation, because both vacuums have dogs that support auto dust emptying, mop washing, water refilling, and warm air drying. So it's a tie here, but similarly, the navigation is also spot on. The Roborock has a precise LiDAR and a structured light obstacle avoidance, while the eufy uses the iPad 2.0 laser navigation, which helps it plan efficient routes and move through the home without relying on cameras. So when it comes to smart features, I think the Roborock holds it down, but for cleaning performance and practicality, the eufy C28 is a much better contender. To sum it up, I have to say that the Roborock Qrevo S5V is capable, especially if you care about edge mopping and extra features, but if your priority is hair, spills, carpet debris, pet messes, and the best value robot vacuum for everyday cleaning, the eufy Omni C28 is the clear winner. It has stronger suction, a more advanced self-cleaning roller mop, better hair-focused brush system, and a cleaning-first design for busy homes. So let me know in the comments below which one you would choose for yourself, and if you're interested, take advantage during Prime Day, and I'm going to leave the link of the eufy Omni C28 down in the description below, because I think if you want less babysitting and more real cleaning performance, this is the one that I would choose. Stay tuned for more content, like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.